Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Prajakta and today we are going to talk about blood. The first point in drug inspector syllabus in the physiology section, that is blood components and function. I have covered all points in the sheet which can be asked in the exam. So let's start the video. First, blood is, as we know, it's a connective tissue, so pH of blood is 7.45 to 7.35. Specific gravity of blood is 1.02 to 1.061. Okay. Then viscosity of blood is 4 to 6 times higher than water, and it is about 2.3 to 4.1 centipoles at 37 degrees Celsius. Then blood is divided into two types, that is carpacles, that is blood components, and plasma. It Carpacles consist about 45% of blood, and plasma is about 55%. And specific gravity of plasma is 1.022 to 1.026. And specific gravity of carpacles, that is blood components, it's about 1.092 to 1.01. Okay. Then carpacles, that is 45%, it's formed in the red bone marrow and destroyed in the spleen, and it is further divided into three types of blood cells. That is, first is red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, as we all know. So first, RBCs, that also known as erythrocytes. It is a biconcave disc-like structure formed in red bone marrow by the process of erythropoiesis. 120 days lifespan is is a lifespan of RBCs. No nucleus in the RBCs. Only camel have the nucleus in RBC. Okay. Then hemoglobin is present, as we also known as a heme is responsible for color of RBCs, that is red color. Then it is function of RBCs is transport oxygen. Um, RBCs are about 4 to 4.5 to 5.5 million per cube present in our blood. Next, erythrocytosis is the process in which blood cells RBC count is increased, and erythrocytopenia is a process in which RBC's count is decreased. Okay, cytopenia decrease, cytosis increase. Next part type is WBC. It also known as the leukocytes. It is large and irregular, formed in a red bone marrow by the process of leukopoiesis. Has a nucleus. It is colorless, protect against pathogens by phagocytosis, and count is 4,000 to 11,000. When WBC increases, is also known as leukocytosis, and when WBC count is decreased, it known as a leukocytopenia. And if the WBC size increase irregularly, it called as a leukemia. Okay. Next type is platelet. It also known as thrombocytes. It is irregular in shape. It produced by the red bone marrow. It is non-nucleus, and process is the process of formation is also known as thrombopoiesis. Lifespan of platelets is 7 days, and function of platelet is mainly blood clotting. And when blood platelet count is increased, it known as a thrombocytosis, and decrease platelet count is known as a thrombocytopenia. And it is originated by the megakaryocyte. It is originated by the megakaryocyte. This is a previous year question ask a point. Okay. And count is 1.5 to 4.5 lakh cube. Okay. Then WBC is further divided into two types, that is granulocytes and non-granulocyte. Okay. So granulocytes is when granules are present in WBCs, and this is where granulocytes are absent. Okay. So granulocytes is originated by the myeloblast. Myelo myeloblast, and it is further divided into three types, that neutrophil, eosinophils, and basophils. Mostly neutrophils are abundant in nature, that is 60 to 65%, and main function of this is phagocytosis. This is lifespan is 7 hours, and it has a multi lobe present in the structure. Okay, next is eosinophils, that is 1 to 4% present in blood. It main function is allergic reaction, and it lifespan is 8 to 12 days. Okay, it also present in a lobe, but two lobe are present. Okay, next is basophils. Quantity is about 0.5 to 1%, and it is less present uh, WBCs. It releases histamine and in allergic reaction or inflammation, and lifespan of these are few hours to few days. And it is also form in a lobes, but one lobe is bigger than the other. So, and most important, granules are the present. Next is non-granulocytes is divided into lymphocytes and monocytes. And lymphocytes are originated by the lymphoblast, and monocytes are originated by the monoblast. Okay, here granulocytes are originated by the myeloblast. It's these points are already asked in the previous year exam, so please mention, please remember this. So lymphocytes are present about 20 to 25%. It is most second most WBC present in blood. Uh, Shape, its nuclear shape is oval shape, and it is further divided into two types, that is T cells and B cells. And lifespan of lymphocytes is about year, because it's memory based cells. T cells are mainly attack infected cells, and B cells mainly forms antibodies. Okay. Next is monocytes. It's about 6 to 8% present in our blood, and shape of nucleus is kidney shape, and lifespan is about 3 days. Next is plasma, which is present in the 55%. It's further divided into antigens. It's further divided into antigens, antibody, hormones, gases, nitrogenous product, ions, nutrients. It's all present in 1% only. And in plasma, water present about 90 to 92%, 90 to 92%. Okay, and protein is about 7 to 8%. And proteins which are present are albumin, that is 60%. It's abundant in nature. Morely present albumin is protein which present in more, uh, that is 60%. Next is globulin, that is 35%. Fibrinogen is 4%, and others are other regulated proteins are present about less than 1%. In nutrients, that is monosaccharides, amino acids, fatty acids, ions, that is sodium ions, calcium ions, and potassium ions. Nitrogen byproduct are uric acid, urea. Gases that are O2, CO2, and N2. Okay, so mainly it present in only 1%, and this present in proteins are 7%, and water are 92%. Okay, so plasma is about 92% made by the water. So this is blood components and its function. I hope it's helpful to you, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment if you like this video.